Alright, let's talk a little bit about air filter maintenance. First, what we want to do is remove the air filter cover. That requires us unthreading 3 bolts on the top of the chainsaw. We've already unthreaded them at this point, so we'll go ahead and take it off. Then we'll remove the screw that keeps the air filter onto the carburetor. You'll want to thoroughly clean your air filter with warm, soapy water. Rinse and then leave it out to dry overnight. Okay guys, once your air filter is thoroughly dry, we're going to go ahead and reinstall it. And just a tip guys, if the air filter is too dirty or you're not able to clean it or for some reason it's damaged, just go ahead and replace it. It's going to make your saw perform so much better.